Here I have XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and when you adjust to normal photo mode, what you have to do is to swipe shutter button right, like this. And as you can see, after that continuous shot starts, and it takes like a very long shot, because I don't know if you noticed, but right now I took like 48 shots. Like, that's really a lot. Most of smartphones don't even make 30, they just stop at 20. So I'm quite impressed, for real. So here you can like select shots that you like and delete the ones you don't really like, so they don't like, and free some space on your device, free some memory, I mean. So yeah, as you can see, this shot goes really smooth, like it's really cool, seriously. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.